Hey, this is Ni Amuda and welcome to this video. Alright, so I decided to put in my face to so you see my real face. So this is my real face. Alright, so I want to talk about something very important and you need to pay attention to it. Okay, so a lot of people today don't use the internet very well. They don't use social media very well. Social media can land you high paid clients, but it depends on how you are positioned. Alright, so I'm going to be mentioning some few tips on how you can optimize a social media channel so that you can be seen as a person to do business with, as a person to reckon with, as a person that people can patronize, people can meet, people can get value from. Okay, so the first thing that people look at for in your social media is your profile picture. So you want to make sure that your profile picture is actually professional. Your profile picture is something that when you see it, you will know or think that this person has sense. Okay, so you are not just putting out any kind of picture there, you are putting a very good and high quality picture that represents your personality. Okay, so go to the studio and get a good professional picture and update your profile picture. Very important. Okay, the next thing that people look out for in social media is your bio. The bio section is there so that you will describe what you do. You tell people about yourself. Okay, tell people about yourself. What are you? What are you here for? What is your message? What is your focus? What do you do? What can you offer us? Okay, tell people, describe it in very short terms. This is what I do and this is what I can do for your business. Okay, describe it in a very short way and let people know that this is what you can offer them. Now, you can't be everywhere serving all the customers in the whole world. You need to niche down to a particular area so that those people that need your services, they will be coming for you. Yes, very important. Then also, in your social media, make sure you use your real name. I see a lot of people using different kind of funny names, just funny names actually. But you need to use your real name because it's social media, and people want you to be real. So when you are using funny names, nicknames, names attached to your names, and people may not really see you as someone that's very, very important and professional. So you need to use your real name. What is your real name? Put it there. Very important. So if your name is Michael Jordan, please put it there, Michael Jordan. Okay? So that when people are searching out for you, it's easy for them to see you. So you won't be putting name like is Michael, is Blessing, is this, is that. No. Those kind of name doesn't make people see you as somebody very, very, very serious with business. All right. Another thing you need to pay attention to is, for instance, if you're from Facebook, you need to pay attention to the features section. The features section is one of the easiest way you can get people to like you, to know you, and to trust you. On the feature section, you can put a slide of about me. In that slide of about me, you can put detail about you there. Just put it about me. Everything about you can be there in that slide, that section. You can put your testimonials, your achievement in one particular section there in the feature section. You can also put testimonials of the people you have worked with, clients, customers. If you are an online tutor, you can put testimonials of your student. If you go to my if you go to my Facebook page now, you check the feature section, you will see my work samples. You will see my students in the graphic design bootcamp, my students testimonial, and you see a few of my clients testimonials. They are there. So when people come to your channel, your page, and they are searching out for some information about you, they are going to see that, and to make them to trust you, to see you as someone credible that they can do business with, you need to pay attention to this thing I just said now. Next, you need to pay attention to the kind of content you are putting out there. You can't tell me that, okay, I am a CAC registration agent, and your content doesn't tally with what you do, pay attention to the kind of content you are putting out every day. So you maybe on your social media platforms, you're just casting cruise, putting out funny memes and all those other things there. It's good to catch cruise, but you need to put content that tallies and resonates with what you do, so that people will know that this is exactly what you do. Position yourself as an authority in your field. Teach features, teach benefit, teach things about what you do. Give tips on or reason why people should register their business with CAC. Give the disadvantages if you don't register a business, what do you stand to lose, so that people will begin to see you as an authority. So you need to pay attention to the content that you are putting out there on social media. Very, very important. This one, very, very important. So I've just mentioned number one, you need to pay attention to your profile picture. You need to pay attention to your name. Your name is your name. Don't put somebody else's name. Don't go and use an elephant, a cat, a dog as your profile picture. You are not a dog. Don't go and use your friend as your profile picture. It can get you into trouble. Okay? Then also pay attention to your bio. Pay attention to your bio. Describe yourself shortly, what you do. Are you a writer? Tell them you're a writer. Tell the world what you do. Then you need to pay attention to the feature section. You need to post content on Instagram highlights. You need to put your content there. Put testimonials. Put your work samples, and everything should be there. If you do this, people will see you as an authority, and they will make sure that they do business with you. Another thing I need to let you know is that you need to focus on one particular area. You need to niche down. Okay, I'll see you in another video. I remain your boy, Ni Amuda. Thank you so much.